everybody, and thank you for watching again. This is Adrian's video blog for Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, December 8th, 2009, and what I wanted to talk to you guys today about was 4 crucial mistakes that homeowners make when or before getting ready to list their home. And the first mistake that usually they make is that they hire the wrong agent. And a lot of the times homeowners believe that listing with the local realtor or maybe listing with a friend or family member is the right way to go, but the reality is you should interview more than one. Find out what their history in the business is. See if they understand this market. See what kind of statistics they're going to show you. See how they feel about marketing. See if they know anything about marketing. See what they recommend as far as pricing goes, to see if they have any pricing strategies. I mean, there's just a list of questions that you should have ready to ask different agents to make sure you're selecting the best agent for this marketplace. A lot of the times we feel that, well, maybe if I list with my friend or with my family member, maybe I can get a reducing commission. But when you do something like that, you're letting go of probably dollars that you're leaving on the table, because there's a way that you can use certain marketing techniques and pricing strategies to get the most out of your home. And so that's something that's, I think it's a crucial mistake that homeowners make, is that they either list with a friend or family member without doing an interview and interviewing 2 or 3 agents to select the best one. The other thing that we see happening is that when they do take on the agent and they hire the agent, they usually list the property based on what the seller needs, which is fine. But in this market, if you overprice a property, which is problem number 2, you're going to lose showings, you're going to lose interest, and you're probably not going to be able to secure a buyer for your home. So overpricing your home in the beginning stages of the listing is also a crucial mistake you can make. So make sure you have your information beforehand so that you understand the marketplace and how we can capture buyers to get you the most out of your home, to make sure that you price it properly so that when you hit the market within the first 2 weeks, you capture that excitement of the marketplace. You know, I was doing some research on the computer, and there's a website called newlistings.com, which is where a lot of buyers go to look for new listings. And in turn, I went just out of curiosity and I put oldlistings.com, and that website doesn't exist. Why? Simple. Buyers want to see what's fresh and new on the marketplace. So when you overprice your property will be dragged, and it'll create a 30 to 60 to 90 day market time, and buyers don't want to look at a home like that. So pricing aggressive from the beginning will always generate more traffic and more interest in buyers. And there's certain data that you need to look at, like a market analysis, to know exactly where to price. The other thing that I think is a crucial mistake is lack of motivation. If you're really not motivated in selling your home, chances are this is not the market to test to see if it'll sell. Probably want to hold on, stay put, and don't come into the marketplace. And one of the ways that you can find out whether or not you're ready and you have some motivation to sell is finding out your true reasons for selling. Are you selling because you want to buy another home? Are you selling because you want to just get that RV and hit the road and cross country and retire? What are your reasons for selling? So that's something that it's very personal. There's no agent that can put motivation on you. That's something that you'll have to decide, whether or not you have the motivation. So that's always a crucial mistake. When you have lack of motivation, you come on the market and now your property is not selling and it's stale, and it already has market history, so it builds like a stigma. So that's another crucial mistake that some homeowners make. The other thing, a crucial mistake they make, is the lack of staging or not preparing your home to get it ready for market. When you bring your property on the market, you want to package it in a certain way so that home buyers come in and see the product and like the property. It's no longer your home. Now it's a property for sale, and we're trying to attract different buyers and get the most money out of your property quickly so that we can get you to whatever your destination is or whatever your motivation might be. So there's many other mistakes that homeowners make, but unfortunately video blogs are anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, so I don't want to make it long. But If you need additional information or anything like that as far as a market analysis or just want to exchange some ideas, feel free to give me a call. My information will be at the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video blog, and I'll see you guys next week.